we're going to do 7, 9, 3, 4, 0.
7, 9, 3, 4, 0.
Good job. Now we're going to do 7, 0, 3, 4, 1, 5.
7, 0, 6, 4, 1, 5.
Okay, that was a 3 instead of a 6. But okay, let's try that one. 9, 4, 3, 7, 1, 0. You need me to repeat that? 9, 4, 3, 7, 1, 0.
9, 4, 3, 7, 1, 0.
That was a good one. Okay, so now I'm going to go a little bit faster to help you with the 7, right? 7, 0, 2, 1, 3, 4, 9.
7, 0, 1, 3, 6, 4, 9.
Well, that's all right. Okay, we're just going to try one more time. Okay, you were so close. You just changed one digit. So let me get one more with 7. There you go. 8, 3, 2, 1, 7, 9, 4.
8, 3, 2, 1, 7, 9, 4.
That's fantastic. That's good. Good job.